Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to go over how to check for plagiarism in Grammarly. And so the very first thing we're going to want to do is stick around till the end of the video so you get a step-by-step process of how to get this process done. So here we're going to go to grammarly.com, and here I am logged in, and I can start a new document. So I'm going to start a new document, and it's blank. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to wikipedia.com, and I just selected a random topic like Nintendo. I copied a bunch of text that's obviously from the internet, and I'm going to come over here to my document and push paste. And now I've got this obviously plagiarized internet text in my Grammarly document. And so what we would do if we had the premium version is right over here, down here, there's a button for check plagiarism, or just to the right of that, there's another one to check plagiarism. I don't have the premium version, so I can't go ahead and show you that, but that's how you would do that. But there is another free way to do this, and that's to go to Google, and we're going to search for Grammarly plagiarism checker. And we're going to select that as it shows up on the screen right here. And here there's a little text window, and we're going to paste our same Nintendo Wikipedia plagiarized text right here. And there's a button right here that's scan for plagiarism. And we're going to push that, and it's going to start scanning for plagiarism. And here we have it right here on the right side of the screen. There's a big red exclamation point, and it says that we have found significant plagiarism in your text, and I've also detected 8 writing issues. So that's it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you.